I should have started recording sooner when I first started this, but I didn't think about it. I don't really record too much stuff. But I'm doing a life-size bear. He's about 5 foot tall. I'm all the way down to the legs. I'm hoping to get anywhere from 300 to 500 out of it. I'm going to start posting my carvings, and hopefully I found out FedEx ships up to 150 pounds. This one's way over 150, but I have plenty of things in here in my shop here that's light enough. That eagle, I still gotta paint it, but it can go. Any of the walking sticks you see. The Indian, I don't know if the Indian's, he's around 100, I think. 100 pounds. And the owl is only about 25 or 30 pounds, so he definitely could ship. Well, alright, I'm going to get back to carving, and I will show you the bear when I'm done.